motherfucker. Estamos viendo lo que este pueblo.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to MTC TV News. I am Rolly D. March. We have a reports the news of 2 trains was accident and was a bomb explosion the train tracks. Those are happen, but the train is accident. We don't know what's happened. 2 trains are both accident, green train and the yellow train. This is Rolly D. March, signing off.
That sounds like a church bell. Everyone, let's go.
So, and this is here. We will locate and find our word. So, this is San Kuala City. We will go there.
Wow, San Kuala City. That's cool. We'll find a place to go. Hi, I don't hear you, but Chica is San Kuala City? That's good. I don't need it.
You don't need it?
Okay, everyone, let's go to the San Kuala City. Come on.
Hi, we're here in the San Kuala City.
Yes,
But you just
why?
did now.
So,
Drive a car.
But Mimi, right? We hope it like it this city.
oh no.
No.